Well, I just walked into town, my daily constitution here in Ludlow. Taking a load off my feet here at the town square. As you can see, the market is open. I'll do a little bird watching. Although I prefer the summer flock. Stopped at a little store. Bought a splatter screen so I don't get grease all over Kaylin's new stove. Bit cold. Wearing my Christmas scarf my sister gave me. Sam's making fish and chips tonight. Chips are French fries, for those who don't know the terminology here. Okay, we're gonna head down one of these back alleys here in Ludlow. Christmas trees are out. Chilly, cold day here in Ludlow. Have the scarf my sister gave me for Christmas this year.